He's just stealing eggs. The same way that other people steal eggs from them. Little rat. What? Oh. What the? You're not supposed to turn off your head.
María.
Little idiot. Birds are just so random. They're like cats. They're flying cats. They're flying cats, guys. And they're just like so dumb.
Bang.
Yippee!
Yes.
Get that. Alright. もういいよ。もう閉めないよ。
What? I don't like you anymore. What?
She's fixing it.
Birds are just very cute. The NBA of birds. Look at these two. Boom! I think that birds are really fun as pets. They're just really fun. Yippee! Oh, true. This is the bird that destroys the snakes by hitting them. Oh wow. Yippee!
Hey! Hello!
Shut up, woman. It's a fight.
I got your nose. No. I got your nose. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back.
This guy has just been chilling.
Your forehead.
Oh, they're licking him. They're licking the guy's head.
They're just little menace. Oh. Okay, this bird is a menace. Oh. Yeah! Boom! Spunk him! Bad boy! What the fuck? Yippee! What is he doing? Oh my god. Okay, guys. I think it's about time I get a bird myself. If I can train a bird to do stuff like this, I need one. I need a bird. I need a bird.
He's gotta get all angles.
What are you doing, bud? What are you doing?
She's just like scratching his baby. Oh, oh. Horny baby indeed. The other one is like, please leave me alone. I'm not interested. Please leave me alone. I don't want nothing to do with this. Attack!
Oh my god, he's so close. Oh no.
Here he comes. He's coming for me now. Oh, he got me
Okay, that's a really fun
again.
game of tag. Just attacking cyclists. Oh. I think owls are like super cute. Oh. Wait. That's a power move. He did the roll before attacking. Look at him. Show him to distract. Oh. Yeah, keep driving. I wonder if we can domesticate owls. I don't think so. I watched the other video, the other day, a video that said that humans are starting to domesticate raccoons. Little rat. You cannot stop him, little menace. No. Look at them vibing, little babies. They're starting to hang out with us to get food just like wolves of the past. True. We will be able to domesticate raccoons, guys. I want to be one of the first ones to have a raccoon pet. No! It's his food, not yours, you evil fiend. Oh. Is that a bird throwing food? What? Little menace, look at him. Fight this rape. And he's laughing. They're fun pets to have. I don't know, I never had a raccoon. I want one.